Good morning, Aldersley staff and students. Hope you're all okay on this Wednesday morning. Welcome to my whole school assembly. I'm going to be talking to you today about the International Dance Day, a day that's something that may be forgotten on the calendar. So I'm really excited to speak to you about this today, and hopefully you enjoy. Before I start the assembly today, quick reflection on yesterday's challenges that were set by Miss Bird in her assembly. Hopefully you all had a go at some of these challenges to make you feel positive and to think about those happy things that are happening, that are going on in your life at the moment. So hopefully you've started that tub where you can start adding positive things in there each day, and that's something that I've definitely been doing whilst we've been off at work at the moment, and it really does have that positive impact on you. So if you haven't had a go at that challenge, please get going with that today. Also, hopefully you had the chance to do something that makes you feel good about yourself, whether that's exercise, whether that's baking, whether that's completing a piece of work within one of your lessons, or maybe doing something a little bit creative. And also, it was good to see some of you tweeting about things that make you feel positive, and please continue to do that today. I'm sure you'll all agree with me after our happiness hour on Monday. It really does make that difference when you start feeling really positive and having that good self-esteem and thinking about all the things that are going on well in your life at the moment. Also, as usual, I want you to have a go at the active coping calendar, and the thing that I want you to focus on today, I've circled there at the bottom on the 29th of April, is to connect with nature. Breathe and notice life continuing around you. And I think if you do have the opportunity to go and do your daily exercise and you do manage to go out on a run or a walk outside, really appreciate what is going on around you. I know I definitely feel that's something I've taken for granted in the past, but I'm definitely enjoying doing it at the moment. So please have a go at doing that for our act of happiness today. So, as I said, it's International Dance Day today, Wednesday the 29th of April, and I want all of the Aldersley students to make sure we're getting involved and we're celebrating dance in the UK and across the world. Why do we have the Dance Day? And International Dance Day is here to promote and celebrate dance in all forms across the world. We want people to be aware of the value of dance and the benefits it can have to you and your lifestyle. We want to celebrate the dance community and promote work on a broader scale, because at times this can get missed. So we want to celebrate all those benefits and the importance of dance and how it can support us. We want us to enjoy dance, and I want to share that joy it can bring to you and others. So I know, speaking from my own personal experience, when you are dancing, it does bring you that enjoyment and that fun factor. And I want you to think about that today, and how we can try and dance more to make us feel happier. And then we want to also celebrate the cultural diversity and the importance of dance across the world. So, a little bit of a quiz for you here to get you active this morning, to wake your brains up. So I want you to guess the signature dance styles and moves from around the world. So I've put on there 10 different dance styles or movements from the different styles of dance. And I'm just going to give you a couple of moments to see if you can jot down and see which countries these dances originated from. So you've got the flamenco, ballet, tango, the can-can, samba, salsa, lion dance, Charleston, Highland dancing, and cha-cha-cha. So I had a go at this quiz before I obviously researched the answers and added them on, and I managed to get 6 out of 10. So I want you to challenge yourself and see in the next couple of minutes if you can have a go at guessing where all of these dance styles originated from. I'm just going to give you a couple of minutes before I start displaying the answers. So you may want to pause the assembly at this point if you need a little bit longer. If not, get ready for the answers. So, the flamenco originated from Spain. That's one of the ones that I got right. I've visited Spain before, and you see this style of dance there very often. It's a lovely style of dance to watch. Ballet originated from Italy, and hopefully all of you with that background dance knowledge will have got the answer right. The tango originated from Argentina. The can-can originated from France. Samba originated from Brazil. Salsa originated from Cuba. Lion dance is China. Charleston, USA. Highland dancing, Scotland. And the cha-cha-cha, Cuba. So hopefully you enjoyed that little quiz, and it'll be interesting to see how many you got right. Obviously, tweet your answers if you wish. If you're on Twitter, be interesting to see what your background knowledge is like of dance from different countries from around the world. I also want you to set the challenge of researching these different styles of dances. So type them into YouTube, onto Google, and have a go at watching some of these dance styles today. And I'm sure they'll cheer you up, and maybe motivate you to feel like having a go at some of these styles of dances. And when we do get back to school, I'm sure the dance department will love to see your demonstrations of these different style of dances. So, Aldersley Dance. At Aldersley, we've got a really successful dance department, and as it's International Dance Day today, I thought I'd just share a few photos with you of all the students that really inspire me. And when I get the opportunity to come and watch you perform, I really do enjoy seeing how amazing you are and how talented our students really are. And today, I want you to think about these different dance styles. I want you to think about different dancers who inspire you, and I want you to really get motivated to feel inspired by dance. So there's some of our students who are taking part in the production there. So some of our students from across the trust, students from different year groups, which I love to see. Students right back in year 7 all the way up to sixth form there. Some of our sixth form girls who are studying dance and enjoy performing. There's some of our girls in rehearsals there and practicing, that determination and that motivation to succeed and learn and choreograph those new dances. And then again, a mix of our students there, from different year groups, all working together to achieve that goal at the end. Some of our younger students who took part in a workshop a while back, I think it was at the university, which Mrs. Bird and Miss Gale took you to. It's great to see all students engaging there. And again, another photo of some of those students there from the lower years taking part in dance. And then I really enjoyed looking through these photos. It was when the dance department took students from across different year groups to Disneyland Paris. And that's all the students there whilst they are enjoying their trip. And then this is those same students there performing. And I think that confidence really shows there in their performance. You do really inspire me and motivate me to take part in dance. And hopefully, looking at some of those pictures there, all of you feel the same. So, one of the things that we want to think about today is the skills and qualities that dance can bring and its importance and why we should all get involved in dance. So, first picture there is lots of students from different year groups, and what word springs to mind straight away? And to me, it's hard working. To be a dancer, it's really important that you've got that work ethic and you're willing to work hard and never give up. And I think that photo there is a really good example of lots of students working hard, engaged in what they're doing, and wanting to achieve that end goal. And that is really important, not only in dance, but in lots of other aspects as well, because to succeed, you do need to be hard working. All those students there, again, from a mixture of year groups, working together, all in sync, doing the same movement. And that picture there, to me, really showed me that these students can work as a team. And teamwork is really important. Not only in dance do we do individual dances, there'll be lots of dances where you'll have to perform and choreograph dances together. And that really improves your teamwork and ability to work with other people. This photo here, some students working on their flexibility and their range of movement, and that to me really shows resilience and never giving up. And that, I think, shows that in dance things won't happen after one dance session. It will be several dance sessions with lots and lots of practice and lots of rehearsal time to show that performance at the end and to get that end goal. And that is why all dancers show good resilience. This photo here, not only students are working together as a team, they're also showing fantastic communication. And communication is really important in dance to ensure that you can be successful as a performer or as a choreographer or someone working behind the scenes. And communication is important for you when you go into the big wide world and you go and get a job, because every job that you work in, you will need good communication skills. And then a fantastic photo here of all the students together in sync doing the same movement, and they show me that they are focused and they've got that drive to succeed. And that determination is really important, and to be a successful dancer, this is something that you definitely need. And then this photo here then of the girls, that shows me creativity. And that is a really, really important quality that you'll need to make sure you are successful in dance. You've got to have that imagination and that creativity and that ability to just give it a go and see what you come up with. And then for me, the last thing there, that photo, all those smiley faces shows that through dance, you can have fun and you can show that enjoyment. And I think that's really important. And hopefully, looking through my assembly today, you've been inspired by these dancers. So, a little challenge for you today, but from Mrs. Bird and Miss Gale. So, as you can see there, our fantastic performing arts staff from the two dance teachers have designed a short little dance that we want you to try and learn, and we want you to try and tweet about to celebrate International Dance Day. And I'll be hopefully learning that at home. I'm not going to be as good as Mrs. Bird and Miss Gale there, but I'll definitely be having a go at that. So I really want you to get on board with this, and I want to be tweeting with the hashtag there, AHS International Dance Day, and have a go at learning that dance. So that has just introduced you to the first challenge of the day. Thanks to Mrs. Bird and Miss Gale. We want you to try and tweet your International Dance Day attempt from the Aldersley one that we've created. That's your first challenge, and hopefully lots of you enjoy learning that dance. Second one, I want you to choose a piece of music and I want you to dance in your bedroom or in your house somewhere where no one is, like no one is watching you. And I want you to really let yourself go, act as silly as you like, and really feel those benefits of what dance can make you feel. And I'm sure it'll have that positive impact on your day. Next thing I want you to have a go at is I want you to complete some physical activity, and that's to support International Dance Day. So dance is a physical activity and will keep you fit and healthy. So obviously I'd like you to have a go at doing some dance today to celebrate the International Day, but also any physical activity will be great. And then finally, I want to research those different dance styles. Following on from my quiz earlier, I'd like you to see you researching different dance styles from around the world and see what interesting facts you can find. And please share that with us today, following the hashtag AHS International Dance Day. And then also I've added in there the Stay In, Stay Active, because that is very relevant as well. Please tweet Aldersley Dance, Mrs. Bird, myself and Aldersley High School so we can see what you are getting up to. And then finally, before I leave, as always, we want to make sure you are safe and well at home. Support is there from all of your class teachers, myself and all of the senior team, but also, most importantly, your heads of years and our pastoral team. And please use those email addresses if you have any concerns or any worries and you'd like to speak to someone. We are online until 4 p.m. and then after that, please follow the message that is posted for external agencies if you need to. So have a fantastic day, Aldersley staff and students, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.